Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video you have learned about how to get the data from a DB as we are using user.find query we have used, and in this video we will learn about designing part, how we can use our to design a one table or anything. Currently we are using a table. Currently we will use a table here. So for that table we will design. This format is not a correct because whenever your customer will come at your website, the first impression is the last impression. So you make sure the designing and the labeling of your website should be as pixel to pixel. So let's come on the code. We will start the coding. You have to write table here, correct, and then table here. You have to use t head. It will come after that tr, after that th. You have to use name. You can copy the same thing here, name, email, and age. Why we are taking 3 columns here? Because on the DB we added 3 things, that is email, name, and age. Currently in this list we are not showing age, but on the table we will show, correct? And fourth, we will take one more thing that is called action, right? So in the table head, again you have to write one more thing here in this table head. After the table head you have to use table body. In the table body you have to use one row as well, correct? So same you have to use here, but with different format. Copy the above this loop and end of this loop in the tr. So any items which are exist on our any 10,000 of object, it will render, it will map that object hundreds of times. So in this we will use this thing, name in the position of name, and email in the position of email, and then age, and then edit. You can use span here, correct? Span, edit, and in this we will use span as well, and that's called delete, correct? So just have to reload. Unexpected where it's showing the error on the style. Okay, where we are, okay, on the sorry, I'll let you know about that within 1 second. Just comment out that code and again call this. So whenever you will reload, see, edit and delete, you are getting on the list, but UI is not correct. For that you have to remove this thing and reload again. See, you getting the data with the name of email. So in the app.js I already write a one style. Okay, you have to just cut from here and on the index.js just paste, correct? That is the color, border color I'll give, and whenever you will reload this, so you will get this thing. See, this is the name, email, age, and edit and delete. So on the edit and delete it should be in the space, so we can use ampersand ps. So yeah, you have to just reload and call this. See, it will contain space in between edit and delete. So here we have done all over the things. Color and padding we did. So for the next videos I'll let you know, because the next video is very interesting and very logically you have to use. Currently we have just show and show the data and add the data easily, but in the edit, the logic will be there. Whenever we will click on the edit, the data come should automatically here, and the button name will update. How we will do? We will do this thing with logic. For the logic, you have to just check the videos daily, because we are adding daily one video. Okay, and we'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you for the watching.